Part of the technology in my life assignment is inserting a video into one of your slides. I'm going to show you how to do that in this demonstration. So first I'm going to insert a new slide. So I'm going to go to Insert New Slide. And you can see that the format that pops out or the layout is the one with the title and body, which is fine. You can pick another one if you'd like. Actually, let's go with the title only, so that'll give us a nice big blank space down here. So I'm going to click up where it says Add Title, and I'm going to say how basketballs are made. And I'm going to put a couple dots here. All right, you can do that if you want. I'm just doing that kind of as a style. Really not required to do that. And now I want to insert a video. Well, first I have to find a video to insert, and obviously the easiest way to do that is to go to YouTube. So I'm going to click on a new tab, and I'm going to type how basketballs are made. Enter. And you can see a bunch of videos come up. There's a lot of different things or different sources. If you go to videos over here, how they make basketballs, Wilson basketballs in a factory in China. So let's just take this one right here. So we're going to click on that. And of course it's going to take me to I'll mute this guy, take me to an advertisement per usual. I'm going to go ahead and let this go through. And I'll skip ad. Okay. So let's just scroll through here a little bit. And you can see that looks like here they start making the basketballs. Okay, so I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to right click on this and I can say copy video URL, or I can do the same thing up here. But it's just as easy, it's just as easy to do this, copy video URL. And then I'm going to go back to Google Slides and I'm going to say insert video. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and paste or Control V into this window and hit the search button. And that's the same video I just found. So when I click on that and then click select, it's going to insert it right into my slide. Now I can resize this, move it around just like I do any other image or picture. And what you want to do, I'm going to click on this window and I'm going to make this text go on this side over here. All right, let's center that up. That looks good. Okay, so let's say I was going to show this in class. Now, if I click on this, this video image, it tells me some format options, or gives me format options. I'm going to play this, and I'm going to find parts that I want to actually, I'm going to mute the audio, so I can do that. And after I've muted the audio, I'm going to just find a spot where it looks like a decent place to begin. So I can only show 60 seconds, up to 60 seconds. So right here, I'm going to start at use current time, and that's at 38 seconds. And so 1 minute later would be 1 minute and 38 seconds. So I'm going to say 1 minute, and 36 is fine. It'll give me 2 seconds to spare. Play on click, or I can play automatically, or I can play manual. I'm going to say play on click, and we should be in good shape. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and then to test it, I'm going to hit the present button up here. So when this slide comes up, and I press the play button, it should start playing at 39, 40 seconds. There we go. And if I unmute it, you can hear some audio going. Now, what's going to happen is after, close this guy out, after it plays for that predetermined amount of time, it's actually going to stop. So when you're doing your presentation, I'll pause this, this would be a good time to either narrate through if you want to mute it, and you can tell us, as in the audience, what we're looking at, or you can actually play the audio if it's a narration. So we'll hit escape. That is how you insert a video and format the options on how to play it.